If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Jeep Compass Limited in diamond black crystal pearl with LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7389.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.